Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best privacy window film that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DUOFIRE Privacy Window Natural Frosted Film Static Cling Glass Film. Privacy can be a reason of concern for numerous individuals. DUOFIRE Privacy Window Film has a frosted design and to provide privacy and allows light in the house. It is widely applicable at any place including lobby, classroom, hotels, office, dining room, living room, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, etc. Positioning and removing this cling glass film is very simple and does not have any harmful substances release. This privacy window film is made using premium vinyl material and it is going to withstand steam and heat for durability. Other than that, it will block out 96% of harmful UV rays while it controls the heat in your room. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rabbitgoo 3D Window Decorative Leaf Film Privacy Window Film. The window is essential and can sometimes put your privacy at stake. With Rabbitgoo 3D Window Film, you will enjoy maximum privacy. It features a charming leaf pattern that will decorate your home perfectly. Moreover, with its 3D laser design, it will create an attractive light effects when the sunlight goes through. This decorative window film is usually applied by a static cling without any chemical or sticky and adhesives. You just need to install it on the window with some water. Ideally, this window film will effectively block 90% of UV rays, protecting your furniture from fading as well as your skin. That is to say, it will soften strong sunlight while allowing natural light in. At number 3, we have the Blas Static Cling Window Film No Glue with Decorative Pattern Design. Blas Static Cling window films are frosted and can be utilized to make any place and anywhere more private. It will also give up the warmth and beauty that natural light brings. One best thing about this window film is that it will block more than 99% of harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, carpet, curtain, floor and many fabrics from aging or fading. The PE static cling films have no malignant smell and don't have chemical solvent. It is ideal to use on the sliding glass doors, office, kitchen, bedroom windows, glass cabinet panels and more. It is removable and reusable and requires an easy do-it-yourself application. At number 2, we have the DUOFIRE 3D Window Film No Glue Decorative Film. DUOFIRE window film glass doesn't require any adhesive and will give your house a very artistic and natural overview. It is going to create a small mosaic look while providing privacy and allowing light in the house. Most emphatically, it does not have any color. However, it comes with a rainbow effect direct light or sunshine. This decorative film is widely used in the lobby, classroom, hotels, office, dining room, living room, kitchen and more. One great thing about this window film glass is that it will retain heat during winter and keep it out in summer. Other than that, it will block 96% of harmful UV rays, thus stopping your furniture from aging and fading. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rabbitgoo 3D Static Privacy No Glue Window Film. Renowned by company Rabbitgoo, this non-adhesive 3D privacy window film is outstanding for your kitchen, classroom, bedroom and more. It is designed to block 96% of UV sun rays, thus it will prevent you from harming your skin and fading of your room's furniture. In addition to that, it will allow the light in the house and still proving privacy. This window film will retain the heat during the winter season and keep it out during summer season. After removal of this window film, it does not leave any residue and can be used again. Applying this window film is very simple and quick, and as it is a DIY project. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.